Oh, nice one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a big one. Guys, I got a new toy. We'll call it the 2020 toy. Got a brand new GoPro, courtesy of my in-laws. Thanks, guys. It's awesome. But I'm here. Guess what? I've never actually fly fished before. I've practiced, but I've never actually fly fished or caught a fish. Years ago on a little canoe trip, I found a fly fishing rod in the Potomac River. I rescued it and now I'm gonna use it. I haven't changed a single thing on it. The line is probably pretty weak and whatnot, but it looks okay. So we'll see. I have very, very limited info and knowledge about fly fishing, so we'll see what happens. I do have my other gear with me. I'm up against the clock because one of these hurricanes coming up from the south is shedding its remnants all over. Just looking at the sky, you guys can kind of get a feel. I might only have an hour, so I'm gonna stop talking, get my stuff together, get this canoe. I'm gonna get out there. See ya. All right, guys. Here's the new fly fishing rod. I wouldn't exactly call it new. Kind of have this guy figured out. Drag's right here. Yeah, I got this. This line is very crimped. The leader section, I've noticed, is a little rough. That's a little rough right there. Probably should have retied that. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on, you know, knots for flies and whatnot, but I'm gonna score something. Oh, I got one already. I got a little bass. Oh my gosh, guys, what? That's so funny. First cast on my fly rod, kind of. I scored a little bass. Look at that. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I don't know how to get them in. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it correctly. Okay, don't want to have that come in. Okay. Boom. Fly fishing. Couldn't be easier. JK. Guys, number 2. All right. Oh, shoot. There it is. Oh, he let go. Oh man. Think I got the hang of this. This is definitely something that, like, it's hard to multitask. Like, I can't just put this down because I'm pretty much the drag and everything, I believe. Don't move your feet because you'll step on the line. Guys, if you fly fish, if you're watching this video and you have any pointers for me, I would very much appreciate it. I don't pretend to be a know-it-all. I'm good at bass fishing on regular stuff. I think it's starting to rain. Crap. Rate my performance, guys. I thought I did all right, right? Back's up against the wall, for sure. Raining. No bugs. Middle. Little fall bass. Well, it's been about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I just spooked a big old carp right there, dang it. And it's raining way harder than I wanted it to be or expected, so I might have to head in. Screw you, weather. Might give it a little look-see over here in the shallows. Maybe something's brewing over there. I think I probably should head in. I know as the day went on, it's gonna get worse and worse, and it's definitely getting worse. These freaking mosquitoes are biting for no reason. I don't even know why they're here. Hey, Swan. You're welcome. Yeah, eat that persimmon. Look, I just fed the swan. Here's one more. Oh. Hey, you. Look. No? You dork. You lost it. Oh, no. He got it. Oh. GoPro, turn off.